So today I'm out in Northampton. We're getting ready to do a dryer vent cleaning. Last time this was cleaned was never. And the dryer is about 6 years old, and they've been living here for about 10 plus years. Over here we've got the dryer vent. You see the exterior cover's got a grate on it. Good way to trap the lint. You don't want to use one of these covers on your dryer vent. So we're going to take an initial reading with this enometer here and see what we're looking at for airflow. Looks like they're getting about high threes, fours. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned up. So we're finished up in the exterior of the cleaning portion. We're going to head inside now and take care of the dryer itself. So we've completed both the interior and exterior portions of the drying now. Dryer vent cleaning. So let's go ahead and take a reading and see what we're looking at. And 7.4, more than double the original airflow. So that's a pretty good deal. So that's a wrap on today's dryer vent cleaning out here in Northampton. You can see everything is all cleaned up. No debris left behind, and they are no longer at a fire risk in their home, and the dryer is going to be drying very efficiently. I do recommend having your dryer vent cleaned at least once a year. If you'd like to schedule yours, please give me a call. All the information is up in the link below. Thanks.